What's up, gamers, and welcome back to another Minecraft episode. And today I did something different and actually installed one mod, and this mod changed almost everything in Minecraft. Look, see the trees is like bushy now, and then that too. It's and it retextured some blocks like this. Uh, they also added that and so much more that I still don't know about. And I just noticed that an iron sword is actually better than iron axe. What? I've been using axe my entire Minecraft series and didn't even notice that it's better. What? Oh, it also changed the stick texture. That's nice. Okay, let's make an iron sword and so much better. I tried to install the what's that called again? The fresh animations resource pack, but I think it's because of the SK launcher. I don't know because if, when I tried to use it, all it changed was that the mobs have no eyes, which is really creepy, and I didn't like. Too bad. And today we're gonna be trying to find diamonds, at least this ones. And I'm actually not this time. I'm not gonna go find caves because I just found out that there's less diamonds in caves, which means that I can get more diamonds in strip mining. And people say the best Y level for diamonds is negative Y negative 53. So we're gonna be going there right now. Alright, now just get digging to negative 53. Oh! Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, some of my stuff got in the lava and burned, bro. The heck. Oh. Uh, okay, let's get water this time, just in case. That's why they say don't dig down. Okay, free water. There's a lot of water. Okay. Let's just hope I can clutch. Now where's the hole I got? Just over there. Okay, let's put water here. Alright. Ow. Ow. Hmm. Ah! Keep dying to fall damage. How many times have I died to fall damage already? Stop. Chill. People need to chill. There you go. What should I sacrifice? Bread only gaming. Uh, need torches, yes. Torches. Okay, for now I'm gonna continue digging here. Oh, this and it's a large cave though. But still gotta keep digging. Oh! excluded. So yeah, perfect. Keep digging. What do I level? Oh, 50. Oh, we're already at. What do I need? We're already at the destination. Let's go. 2, 3. There you go. So this, people say this is the Y level I should be mining in. So let's go mining. Place some torches. Oh, I don't need this anymore. And just be careful of lava. Bam, bam. Oh, what's that? The heck? Oh, where are we? Are we at the Nether fortress? I mean the end portal. I don't know. The only place I know where that happens is in the Nether. In the Nether port. I mean, yes. I mean the end portal. Stop. I have to deal with this. Just keep mining, I guess. We'll get to back to that later. Oh, whoops. Place a torch over here. Need diamonds yet? No. Okay, let's also do this. And I need more torches for this. Oh, what am I doing? I forgot how to craft. There you go. Oh no, gravel. Okay, let's not mine here. Uh, okay, over here instead. By the way, guys, should I add shaders? Oh, whoa. If you think it's a good idea to add shaders, comment down below. I think that's a big. Anything here? Ooh, redstone. Don't need that right now. Stop. Let's not go here. Let's mine this first. Let's go. Nice. Next episode, I'm actually gonna add shaders and see if I like it, and if you guys like it, of course, cause you guys matter more. All right, now. Uh, Dude, I don't need redstone, man. Is there water? Oh, there's water above me. The heck? Oh, is this where I was? What? Oh, alright. Continue digging. Already have so much redstone. All I need now is... Oh, oops. Sorry, bad. Oh! Let's not dig there. Gotta be careful of lava. So I might die. Wait, lava can mean diamonds, right? Oh wait, that lava is probably the lava above me. It's not a lava pool, sadly. Still no diamonds. Where are the diamonds? 99% of gamblers quit before they win big. Okay, nothing. 99% of gamblers quit before they win. There's lava behind, above me. Oh, yes! Oh, it's true! 99% of gamblers quit before they win big. Please tell me there's a lot. Yes. Please tell me at least 4 or 6 or 5. Three? Seriously? Oh, it's only 3. But it's fine. Cause we got diamonds, bro. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's mine it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's mine in the other. Oh, so much faster. Whoa. Whee. Alright, over here. No, over here. There. Another cave. Oh, it's the same cave. Huh. Oh, 99% of gamblers quit. Oh my gosh! Yo! How many are these? How many? Please tell me there's a lot. Don't tell me there's only 2. Oh, come on, bro. Only 2? Seriously? Only 2? Oh, okay, nice. 3. Please be 4. Oh, it's only 4. 4. It's 4. I'm out of inventory again. Alright, there's 4. There's none above. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes, now we have 8 already. And I'm out of... Oh my gosh. I I need to go to the lava. Let's go. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Yeah. Where's the lava again? I think it's over here, right? Yes. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's play it safe and do this. There it is. Yes. We don't need these at all. We actually need those, but yeah. What else do I not need? Rotten flesh. Sorry, bad. Not my fault. Right. Cobblestone. Oh, okay. Alright. Think that was successful. Let's go back to mining. Ah. How many diamonds do we need for a full set? And I don't know. Probably like 30, 40, 50. I don't know. Alright. And then absolutely no more diamonds here. Let's go to another over here. Okay, over here. It's probably good, right? I hope so. Um, dude, strip mining is so boring. Need diamonds. I keep finding like other ores. Um, ooh, diamond. Oh, I mean gold. It's fine. Gold's fine. I mean gold is useless. I don't even need gold. I don't know what to do with gold. I actually don't know. Put that in. Okay, keep mining. I have 8 diamonds still. 99% of gamblers quit before they win big. I'm gonna keep mining until I lose all of my torches. It's gonna take long. Or are the diamonds? A mine shaft, because I think mine shaft has some diamonds. I don't know. And it will also be my first time finding a mine shaft. Da, 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 da. Just keep mining. Just keep mining. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, mine. Oh, lapis. Alright. Lapis. How much? So much. 12. 12 just from 2 lapis ores? Wow. I generally thought what just one ore gives you just one lapis lazuli, but I was wrong. Losing my pickaxe just for this one tunnel. I hear lava. Oh yeah. Oh, lava. Lava. How deep is it? Oh, not that deep. Oh, I have a very big plan. Cause every when I was at spectate mode when I was a kid in Minecraft, almost all of the time there's diamonds in lava pools. So I don't know. Fill these in first. Alright. And mine them more. 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 Alright. Finally gonna lose my pickaxe. Too bad. diamonds, please? No diamonds? Are you serious right now? Alright, now I lost it. Alrighty. Where's it? Make more sticks. Sticky stick. And then axe. Pickaxe, I mean. Go. To save more time. Because cobblestone is faster to mine. Alright. There you go. No diamonds still. No way there's no diamonds here. Such a big lava pool. No way it has no diamonds. There's just no way. Seriously, no diamonds? Maybe under? There's absolutely nothing. So sad. I'm out of storage. This. No, I actually need that. What do I not need? I don't need these. Oh, I already. There. Absolutely nothing. Come on, man. Oh, whoops. Woo. Dude. Alright, there's absolutely nothing. I wasted time. Let's skip. Does it sound like that? Is there an end portal here? I don't know. Just keep mining. Dude. I swear. The hell is that normal, guys? I've never experienced that before. Right now, just keep mining. Are you still at level 15? Yeah. Alright. Let's try different positions like that. I don't really know. What am I doing? Oh. I'm not strip mining. I'm not even strip mining anymore. I think. Not even is strip mining. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, yo! Yes, yes! Finally, diamonds. Let's go. Oh, there's so much. Dude. go. 4 diamonds. That's considered a W. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 diamonds. What? Got 16 diamonds now. That's crazy. That's the largest vein of diamonds I've ever found my entire life. Right. Alright. Don't really know anymore. Whoops. I accidentally paused my recording. Oh my gosh. I need to change my hotkey. 'Cause I don't know. Oh, wait. What? Please let there be diamonds. Yo! How lucky am I? Dude. How many are these? How many are these? Okay, now finally to throw away stuff I don't need. There we go. Success. Alright, I think there's enough mining in this. And for this one, let's go back. Got 19. I think that's enough now. I swear, is there like a end portal nearby? If there is, that's so rare, dude. Guys, is this normal? Don't really know. I don't see no end portal or the block thing is in end portals. Oh, iron. Yeah, there's literally nothing. Nothing. I don't know why those silverfishes. Silverfish. I don't know why silverfish keep appearing. Is that normal in caves? Cause I don't remember anything about them appearing here. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh. Get back. We went too far back. Oh. It's probably like a cave here. Or maybe a spawner. Don't have time for that. Alright, now let's finally go back. Where are we? Oh yeah, here. Ooh. Oh, creeper, creeper. Stop, creeper. Haha, can't reach me. Alright, where did we come from? I'm already lost. Oh yeah, over there, up over there somewhere. Okay, let's bridge. While I have no knowledge, I am no experience in bridging. Let's do this carefully, cause there's a creeper down there and 2 zombies. Oh, there's my hole. Hole, bring me back. I need to get back. Yes. Yes, I'm back. Ah! Creepers need to stop popping up. keep forgetting how to block. I play too much the strongest battlegrounds. The only way I know to block. Stop! Leave me alone. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. Not just die. Hey! Teamers! Okay, you guys can fight. Just how unlucky can I be? Now where is my stuff? Where is it? Don't mind me just collecting my stuff. These are my stuff. 19 diamonds, dang. I just now noticed. A lot. Where's my pants though? Oh no, where's my pants? Where's my other stuff? There it is. Right. I'm so unlucky and lucky at the same time in this episode. Dude, I swear. I got so many diamonds and also died so many times. Uh, are those all my stuff? Bread. Bow, where's my bow? Where is my bow? There. Right, that's all my stuff. Um, Arrows, okay, the same. Uh, how do I arrange my stuff? Cobblestone and there. Food. Alright. Oh, can't forget. Flint and steel. Very important. Whee. Okay, now where? Stop sneaking up on me. Jeez, mind your own business. Creep, you man. Let me get back home safely. Cause I got so many diamonds now. Alrighty. It's nighttime. Oh dear. No. My only mission now is to get back home safely. Oh, I almost died again. Alright. Yes. Home, sweet home. Oh man. I died so many times in this video. Chicken. Right. Oh, alright. Good morning. Now can finally get diamonds. I mean, I already have diamonds. Yes. Diamond armor. First, tools. 7, 6. Wow. What a difference. Desperate. 8 armor. Sure, why not? Pants. Pants. Sure, why not? There you go. Now just put these back. Oh yeah, my diamond pickaxe. Get back there. Alright. So that does it for today's video. We got a lot of diamonds and a lot of deaths, but I think it was successful. If you guys want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. See you later. Goodbye.